Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down clearly so you can follow along without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Exmo and Kraken. You'll also need some XDC in your Exmo wallet and the exact deposit address from Kraken. Remember, crypto transactions involve fees and risks, so double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Balance section and find your XDC holdings. Step 2. Select the XDC asset and click on the Withdraw or Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, which is the deposit address from Kraken. To get that, hop over to Kraken, log in, go to your wallet, and select XDC. Copy the deposit address provided. Make sure it's for the XDC network to prevent errors. Step 3. Back on Exmo, paste the Kraken deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw, but don't forget to leave enough for any network fees. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to complete a 2FA verification for security. Step 4. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your Exmo dashboard for confirmation. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's sent, head back to Kraken and check your wallet for the incoming XDC deposit. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. XDC is on its own blockchain, so match it exactly to avoid lost funds. If you encounter any issues, both exchanges have support teams to help. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn XDC from Exmo to Kraken. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next one.